Hello, my name is Dr. Ajay Singh. I'm Senior Associate Dean for Global and Continuing Education at Harvard Medical School. I'm also the Program Director of the Masters in Medical Sciences and Clinical Investigation. This program is targeted to train future leaders in clinical research, in patient-oriented research. Now, I'm sure you've already reviewed our website and you've listened to my colleague, Finian McCausland, who's the Associate Director, talk about this program. What I wanted to share with you are three aspects of the program which I think should be important in you deciding whether you should apply. Firstly, this program is targeted to train people in the skills of clinical research, in the doing of clinical research. Second, this program is targeted to share with you knowledge that has been acquired from our faculty who are experts in clinical patient-oriented research. And third is to create a community of learners that will ultimately be the people that you're going to connect with and network with in the future. The MMSCI degree is really a practical degree. It has some unique pedagogic features that should make this different from anything else that's out there. Firstly, in this degree, we integrate all the elements of clinical research: epidemiology, biostatistics, clinical trials, genetics. Secondly, this is a degree that involves 2 years of mentored research where you're actually working in laboratories at one of our teaching hospitals, Mass General, the Brigham, Dana-Farber, Children's Hospital, the Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, or HMS itself, to learn the ins and outs of how to do clinical research. And thirdly, this program is targeted to share with you some of the best practices with respect to research. For example, how to write papers that might ultimately be competitive for publication in high-impact journals, how to be successful in applying for grants, how to be a better team player, how to be a leader of a highly functioning team. These are the sort of things that we train you in this program. So I'd like to ask you to join us in applying for this program. Take a look at our website. Find out from other students what this program is like and send in an application. I'd love to review your application and hope that with a successful application, you'll join our group of learners to chart a successful career in clinical research. Thank you.